Eric here, bringing you more of the cranberry lifestyle. I'm bringing you part 2 of the 2025 Cranberry Harvest. We've got a lot of things going on today. We've got some berries to slip. We're going to be corralling. And I'm finally going to run you guys through on how this berry pump works. It's a little complicated. There's a lot of stuff that goes on. I'll try my best to run you through it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Okay, here we are, the next day. We had a lot of rain yesterday. Made things a little sloppy, but it's not going to slow us down. I've still got some trash in this truck here, so I'm going to run it up to the dump. We'll get rid of it, and then we'll bring it back down so it's ready for the next load. We just finished up with this bed. I'm gonna start reeling this boom in with the tractor. We've got a couple 100 feet here. I'll throw it on the tractor. That way we can spread it out on the next bed. I have a brief moment now to just run you through on how this works. It's pretty loud once you get it started up. You get everything moving. We used to have to pull our harvesters with a tractor and run them with a PTO shaft. Now we've got an engine all built in, and you can see the seat behind me. We can drive it from spot to spot. It has this massive auger that takes all the trash and puts it right in the back of our Maruka. Right here is where it pulls in all its water, and it allows it to get everything primed up so that we can start sucking berries out of the other side. During transportation, we can raise this. So right now we've got it raised, and we can lower this down. So when we transport it down to the other farm, as you'll see next week, we can get it down there with ease. I'm not gonna start it up right now, but basically we usually we'll turn this key, let the electronics do their thing, and then after a couple seconds, we can turn on, let it warm up. We've got these knobs here, and they control these lift arms. Those just help stabilize it during pumping. You can see our large engine right here that runs everything. Before, we would have to grab all this boom that's out there, and we'd have to pull it all in by hand. Now we've got this machine, so one guy can bring in that whole outer boom, and then two guys can be in the water and just corralling the berries to the pump and keeping the berries coming in. So right over there, that's where the berries are getting sucked in. They'll go right up through this pipe inside of this pump, and this pump is built specifically for cranberries. Doesn't break them up at all, and they'll go right up this pipe. It's kind of hard angle to see here, but it goes right up in there, and that filters out all the trash, and that allows the berries to go out into a tractor trailer. Let's go up, I'll show you. So those berries will come up through here with the water. Berries will run down out into the truck, and any trash falls down in between here. When that trash falls in between, it goes down that hole, straight out that auger. Before we start this thing up, I'll get up there and I'll level those vine leaves off so we can get a little bit more squeezed in. Quick swap with Nigel there. I'm gonna take you guys over. I'll show you what Owen's doing. So just as Owen pulls on that boom, it gets some grip and that wheel's able to bring it in for us. So we're just on top of the pump now. You can see right behind me here, that auger is bringing up a lot of trash. We're not going to have time to take this truck out of here, so it might overflow a little bit. That truck's almost filled up. Took no time at all. You can see those berries coming up. As they go down, the trash is all washed in between these little tines. Okay, that's the rest of that truck filled up. Probably took us 20 minutes. This thing's a game changer and it's helping a lot.
Hey, special stuff over right here for me. Yeah. Now you're talking my language. Yeah.
That's the end of part 2. I've still got a lot more stuff to show you, and we've got another farm. I'll try my best to get you a part 3 and maybe a part 4. Anyways, it's the end of the day. I'm gonna run this Maruka down. It is totally full. I'll catch you guys on the next video.